Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about how you were able to know if your ordered in Lazada is already delivered. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I order a battery for my phone that is Huawei Y7 Pro, that the battery is already been damaged. So one of the things that you will know if your ordered was already delivered in Lazada, a very popular e-commerce website here in the Philippines, is that they will send you an email. In this example, your order 70432534330110 has been delivered. Okay, so hi Jake Pomperada. Okay, so we have here the title, no? Your order has been delivered. Hi Jake Pomperada. We are happy to let you know that the items from your order number 70432534330110 has been delivered or collected. Thank you for shopping with us. See you on the next purchase. Okay, so I have my address here, my email address, and then we have here, no, the battery, no? So, and then the price, the quantity. Okay, cash on delivery, standard option. Okay, so Huawei Y7 Pro 2019 battery. So the price is 449 and shipping fee is around 125 pesos. Okay, so that's it guys, no? So you know already, no, if your order has been delivered at your home, no? For example, you are not around in your home, you are in another place. So it will send you an email, no, as a form of notification that your ordered in Lazada has been delivered successfully in your designated home or place that it should be delivered. I hope this tip will help you understand, no, about the delivery, no, of Lazada, a very popular e-commerce website here in the Philippines. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.